Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. This die right here, guys, I have cut it twice already and only have 48 seconds of footage. Why, I don't know. But I'm about to do it again. And because this die wants to be that way, I'm going to cut a card front as well. And I'm going to kind of put it together. I'm going to use this reclaimed piece of brown. And I'm going to cut it out. This card is actually like a giant, what is it, Band-Aid. So those are the pieces. I'm going to use just this big, like this big piece right here. And then this piece right here as a border. So let's see if we can get into it. Alright, where are my bead plates? Here they are. Excuse me. I don't know where the other set of plates. You know what happened? What had happened was I had to repurchase this plate thingy right here, and it only came with the one like C plate or B plate. It only came with one. So, and I never took it out the package to even look at it to see what was up. But it's okay. I improvised and I'm making it work. So let's get this cut. Oops. Now there we go. And I want to hope that it all comes out right the first time. And yes, I'm using my vintage. Okay. Here we go. Looks right now it's looking good. Let me put these two bead plates back over here. Alright. And here is the outline, I guess, that I want to use. I don't need this inside piece. And here are the pieces for the coffee mug. If I can get it out without tearing up something. So let me be extra careful here. Okay, that came out. So let me see if I can get this out without an issue. And then I'm going to cut the card base. Put that over there. Let's see if we can get all of this out. Now about this die, you see how thin these strips are? This will be a die that I won't cut often unless I get some paper that hopefully won't tear or won't tear as easily. It's just gonna take a minute because I could easily damage the cutout. And I don't have any wax paper, which would probably help. So I'm gonna go slow. If I go too slow, you guys may want to fast forward through this. Okay. Just don't tear it, Tasha. Which I kind of messed that up, but it's just a little bit, and I'm not going to trip on it. Let's see if I can get these out-ish. Okay. Okay, okay, I think I'm getting it. Don't tear it. Don't break it. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. I'm gonna move it, put that right there. Let me get this coffee, the word coffee out. Okay, let's see if we can get this out of here without a problem. There we go. There we go. We got coffee, and we got this cut, this die cut as well. We'll put it right there. Put these over here out of the way. Now let's cut. I'm going to use this as the card base. And I'm going to use this cream colored cardstock. Okay, let me move this before I break it, tear it, or something. And it has some little hearts in it that I need to get out. Okay, back with our B plates again. One up there, one right here. Okay, let's get this out. Get my other B plate. Okay, looks good, looks good. Put the vintage back there a little bit. Where's my pokey tool? There's just a few hearts in here. I'm just gonna poke those little few ones out. Oh, come on. You know what? I'm gonna leave it for right now. I get some scissors and cut it out, because I'm afraid I might tear it. There's another one. I'm gonna leave that one too, because this is just I guess a markup for me. Okay. Move all this. Over here, out the way. Okay. So here's our card base. This is the trim that I wanted for here. And here is this thing. And here is this thing. And I actually think that's kind of cute. I think that would make a really cute card. So let me get, where's my adhesive? Let's see if we can get it. But listen to me. Let me see if I can get it to stick together. Because I am not a card person, and you guys know this already. And then this is tedious. So I'm just slinging glue over this thing. I don't even know. Hopefully it'll work. We're gonna find out today. We're gonna find out together. Okay, let's try it. I hope it's in focus. It's kind of late. I'm worried about it now. I think that's about right. It looks about right. Okay. Well, okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. We off to a good start. I'm gonna put the word coffee on first, I think. Let me see. Cause this thing is really cute. It's just so delicate. That's my only issue. Let me see where that little piece goes. Okay, it goes right there. It's just so delicate. My window is open and I got some little thing flying around in here. Don't make me get my pliers, my tweezers for you. Okay, let me put the coffee on first. Does that come out? Let me see if I can get this look. That goes out. Good, good, good. Okay, almost done with the word coffee. Come on. Okay. Ew, I dropped it. I probably should have used some tweezers anyway. Okay. I don't even know if that's straight or not. And I'm just gonna put glue on spots with this thing because I don't know. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, think that'll get it. All right, we're gonna see. Okay. Aside from me getting glue everywhere, I think that's super cute. Let me get a little glue up under here so it'll let it lay down. There we go. Okay guys, tell me what you think. I actually like it. if I had taken a little bit more time with it, I think it would have been even cuter. But I was trying to get it done because I didn't want to hold you guys forever. But tell me what you think. And I'm assuming what you do with this piece is there is a slight fold line there. So I'm assuming you fold that and then you cut 2 of those and then make it into a slimline card. But okay guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I'll see you guys in my next video. There we go. Bye bye, little bugs.